In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second website in the Milkshake app. To get started, open the Milkshake app on your phone and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, head over to the home screen. This is where you'll usually manage your site and access the main controls for your Milkshake setup. From the home screen, look for the account or profile switching option. Depending on your version of the app, this may appear as your profile icon, a menu, or a switcher that lets you move between websites. The important thing here is that you're not logging out. Instead, you'll use Milkshake's built-in switching feature to manage more than one website from the same app. When you find that option, select the choice to add or create another website or account. Then choose Create New Website, or the closest equivalent wording shown on your screen. This starts the setup process for your second Milkshake site. Next, you'll be asked to select a card for your new website. In Milkshake, cards are the content blocks that make up your site, so pick one that fits the purpose of this second website. After that, choose a look or design for the card. This is where you can give the site its own style, especially if it represents a different brand, business, or project from your first website. Once the design is selected, start adding your content. Enter your text, upload images, add links, and include any other details you want visitors to see. Take your time here and customize everything so the new website clearly matches its intended purpose. A clean layout and consistent style can make the site look much more professional and easier for visitors to navigate. Before publishing, preview the website to make sure everything looks correct. Check that your text is readable, your images display properly, and your links go where they should. This quick review can help you catch small mistakes before the site goes live. When everything looks good, tap Publish. After publishing, your second Milkshake website will get its own unique link, separate from your first website. That means each site can stand on its own while still being managed from the same app. Later on, if you need to move between your websites, just use Milkshake's account switching feature again. That's the easiest way to manage multiple websites without having to log out and back in every time.